Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you're on the hunt for a 3D printer that's perfect for hobbyists, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to dive into the top 5 best 3D printers that blend ease of use with quality results, ideal for beginners and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're interested in creating intricate models, functional tools, or just bringing your creative ideas to life, we've got you covered. From user-friendly features to impressive print quality, these picks are bound to take your 3D printing journey to new heights. So stick around and check the link in the description below for the best deals and details. Let's get started. Number 5. Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is a cutting-edge FDM 3D printer designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, offering an impressive 8.85 by 8.85 by 11-inch printing size to accommodate a wide range of projects. Featuring a powerful STM32 motherboard, this printer utilizes silent stepper motors for ultra-quiet operation, reducing noise levels to just 47 to 48 dB, making it perfect for home or office use. The innovative dual-gear direct extruder, crafted from durable SUS 303 stainless steel, provides a 3-to-1 reduction ratio, ensuring smooth filament feeding and minimizing under-extrusion and clogging problems commonly faced with Bowden setups. The included nozzle kit, featuring a TC4 titanium throat pipe and efficient cooling fan, optimizes heat dissipation for reliable performance. The auto bed leveling system utilizes a high-precision sensor to skin 36 points on the hotbed, ensuring consistent first layers on uneven surfaces. Plus, the dual lead screw design enhances stability and printing accuracy, allowing for intricate and precise models. With these exceptional features, the Elegoo Neptune 3 Pro is undoubtedly one of the best 3D printers available today. Number 4. Anycubic Photon Mono and 5S Pro Resin 3D printer is a top-tier choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring an ultra-high 14K resolution with a stunning 10.1-inch mono LCD, it offers an impressive XY resolution of 16.8 by 24.8 micrometers, allowing for incredibly detailed prints with sharp edges. The innovative preheating function ensures optimal resin temperatures, even in cooler environments, while the built-in activated carbon system enhances your printing experience by minimizing odors. With a blazing average print speed of 105 mm per hour, the M5S Pro incorporates advanced ACF film technology for high success rates and rapid lifting speeds. Say goodbye to manual leveling with its unique leveling-free solution, which uses floating platform technology and internal sensors for precise adjustments. Plus, the intelligent residue detection feature helps prevent screen damage and optimizes peeling heights for superior print quality. With its large printing size of 8.81 by 4.98 by 7.87 inches, the Anycubic Photon Mono and 5S Pro stands out as one of the best 3D printers available on the market today. Number 3. Combro Creality K1C 3D printer is a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals alike, boasting an incredible printing speed of 600 mm per second and an acceleration of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2, making it 12 times faster than traditional 3D printers. This efficiency translates to quick, high-quality models without the long wait times. With its clog-free direct extruder, the K1C handles a variety of filaments, including carbon fiber, and supports temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius. The printer is user-friendly, requiring just 3 minutes from unboxing to first print, thanks to its plug-and-play design and advanced auto-calibration features. The smart AI functions, including a high-resolution LiDAR and observant AI camera, ensure precise monitoring, instantly halting the print if any issues arise. Enhanced cooling mechanisms further improve print quality by preventing heat creep and ensuring strong layer bonding. With its remarkable features, the Combro Creality K1C stands out as one of the best 3D printers available today. Number 2. FlashForge Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer is designed to elevate your creative projects with its remarkable efficiency and precision. With a maximum travel speed of 600 mm per second and rapid nozzle heating up to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, you can quickly bring your ideas to life without compromising quality. Its robust Core XY all-metal structure guarantees stability during high-speed movements, while interchangeable nozzle sizes, 0.25 mm, 0.4 mm, 0.6 mm, and 0.8 mm, allow for both fast prints and intricate details. The innovative pressure-sensing automatic bed leveling system eliminates manual adjustments, ensuring perfect first layers every time. User-friendly features like remote monitoring via the Flash Maker app, auto shutdown, and filament detection enhance your printing experience. Plus, with extensive material compatibility including PLA, ABS, PETG, and more, this printer empowers you to tackle a wide range of projects, from prototypes to durable components. The FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer truly stands out in the realm of the best 3D printers. Number 1. Combro Official Creality Ender 3 3D printer delivers exceptional reliability and quality for anyone exploring 3D printing, making it a standout choice in the best 3D printers category. This DIY printer is designed with a resume printing function, which automatically resumes printing after unexpected power outages, ensuring that print jobs can be completed seamlessly. Assembling the Ender 3 is quick and beginner-friendly, with partially pre-assembled components that take only about 2 hours to set up, helping new users and students develop hands-on skills in no time. The upgraded extruder technology minimizes issues with clogging and ensures smooth, silent movement thanks to durable POM wheels, which provide a quieter, more reliable printing experience. Additionally, its safety-protected power supply heats the print bed to 100 degrees in just 5 minutes, allowing faster print starts. Rigorous testing on key components guarantees consistent performance and quality. Combro's Creality Ender 3 combines user-friendly assembly, advanced features, and reliability ideal for anyone new to or experienced with 3D printing. In conclusion, investing in a 3D printer can open up a world of creativity and innovation, whether for personal projects or professional use. Each of the models we've discussed today offers unique features and capabilities, so you can find the perfect fit for your needs. We hope this guide has helped you make an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and share for more update videos.